In this video, I'll be showing you how you can utilize artificial intelligence and help you to score in your online quizzes. First of all, you need to go to Chrome Web Store and search for Fakey, and then click this one and add to Chrome. Once it is added, you can go to your quiz platform, doesn't matter what platform, Google Form, Microsoft Form or whatever, and refresh the page because you just installed the extension. At the top right, you will have Fakey icon. When you click it, you will see the amount of credits left for your account. In my case, I have 5,000 because I have Fakey Premium. For free users, you will get 20 free credits each month. Now, let's see how Fakey works. First, you need to right click on the page of your quiz platform and then search for Fakey and then click Snip and Ask AI. After that, you can snip the question that you want and you will get the answer immediately. After you get the answer, you can click the copy button and paste the answer into the quiz platform. The advantage of using Fakey is if you have a question that has images in them, you can straight snip that image and ask the AI. It will understand what that image is all about. And that's it. I hope you score in your next quiz.